founded as wholly owned subsidiary of Navarat Pattanakarn Public Company Limited, one of Thailand's prominent construction and engineering firms with more than 40 years of growing experience in Thailand as well as abroad. AdvancePrefab is the firm's flagship endeavor to extend its capability for construction of building, factory, and warehouse with less construction time and cost. With proven success in Europe, AdvancePrefab launches high-quality products and services utilizing Italian technologies and experiences. These innovations satisfy requirements in current building construction in many areas such as electrical power plants, factories, offices, and warehouse. Products of AdvancePrefab consist of two major categories. The advanced concrete components from Navarat Pattanakarn Public Company Limited. The second category is proudly introduced by AdvancePrefab Factory in the Chonburi province. The advanced concrete systems offer complete systems of major building components which include gable, double T, fly, light, and walls panel. With precast pre-stressed concrete manufacturing process, gable can be casted up to 30 meters in length and 1.55 to 2.6 meters in height. This process offers excellent building components with high strength, fire resistance, and corrosion-free. Gable product line covers major components for the gable type roof or double slope. The roof structure is designed not for only sustaining heavy-duty load in hanging piping systems in process plants, but also extra-wide column span found in general factories and warehouses. The double T high-grade specification benefits from the reinforced precast pre-stressed concrete manufacturing systems. Duo connecting T-floor structure offers high strength, fire resistance, and corrosion protection. The maximum floor length spans up to 26 meters with the width of 1.7 to 2.5 meters and the height of 0.3 to 1.02 meters. With high-strength concrete used in manufacturing process, the double T components allow heavy load which are suitable for floors and rooftop of the building, especially rooftop parking and cooling system. The double T floor system is therefore a strong competitive alternative for office building, department stores, factory building, and warehouses. The Fly is our product for roof construction. This product line also adopts reinforced precast pre-stressed concrete manufacturing systems with high-strength concrete using special concrete mix. The Fly systems supports up to 22 meters in length, 2.4 meters in width, and 0.8 meter in height. With elegant bird wing design, the Fly system functions as both roof covers and gutter. The light system consists of components for roof beams. Similar to other products, high-strength concrete with special concrete mix design is used. The maximum beam length spans up to 30 meters with the width of 2.55 meters and the height of 0.85 meters. The light components can be a part of gutter with high strength, fire resistance, and free of corrosion. The Fly and Light systems are suitable for building designed for architectural elegance with simplicity. Due to extra long span, the Fly and Light minimize the number of columns, which increase usable area. Additional flexibility is achieved from fewer columns that might interfere interior perspective. The Fly and Light are designed and produced in high precision manner, where components are seamlessly joined. Accumulation of dust particles is minimized suitably, which serves stringent environmental control buildings as required by food and electronics industries. Concrete shell. is one of components in the concrete roof based on the light and fly systems. The concrete shell is designed to perform functions of both purlin and ceiling. With beautiful, smooth internal surface, the concrete shell components exhibit good characteristics for sound insulation. The heat insulator can also be installed before the installation of concrete shell system. The concrete shell system supports wide range of applications, such as installing lay light passage for direct lighting illumination, ventilation fan, or lifting the shell upward to create indirect lighting illumination that reduce heat dissipation from outside. Wall panels are constructed as sandwiched panels of two thick concrete panels and an insulation layer in the center. The width of concrete panel can be 20, 25, and 28 centimeters with up to 3 meters wide. The design supports up to 10 to 16 meters in length according to thickness and design of a wall. The sandwich design offers excellent thermal insulation, which helps control internal temperature in the building. Custom finishing is available from the factory, such as washed gravel, washed sand, terrazzo floor, and metal inlay. High standard industrial processes ensure product quality. We continuously exercise QA/QC procedures to the whole process, from raw material acquisition to delivery of products and services. Short and assured erection time with no weather implications. Certified safety code of conducts reduces potential on-site accidents. Shorter mobilization time and on-site raw material stockpiling. No need for temporary structure such as scaffolding, formwork, and bracing. Require only 5 workers in one erection team. Thanks to specially designed concrete characteristics, less external noise disturbance, and better fire resistance, extra energy saving, and better temperature control are achieved by overall pre-installation system design. Pre-stress technology offers longer span with less floor-to-floor height.